Good morning. This is Math 8. Today is the 15th of October. 15th of October, 2019. Math 8, and we're going to do combining like terms today. And today is what do you want to be when you grow up day? And I am dressed like a farmer. Because I actually do. I don't think I can make a living as a farmer, but I'd like to be more of a farmer person.
My dad's stepdad, which was really his, like more of his dad, but anyways, he was a dairy farmer for a long time. I'm in Hemet.
I do not want cows. I want to grow pumpkins. That's pretty much what I want to do. I'm working on it. All right. Hey, what is the learning goal? Andrew, what's the learning goal?
I can solve linear equations in one variable.
Excellent. And Mike, why?
Math has
the
its own
Instagram influencer.
Yes. Math has its own language and rules. By solving equations, I learned the language of math and how it works.
Excellent. Imagine if I gave you a bag of Skittles and I asked you to sort them into different piles by color. That's a job that you could do. This idea of sorting is really a big part of human existence. We sort things out. I'm looking at other people dressed up in medical professions. We sort diseases. You sort out viruses versus bacteria versus cancer. We sort things into different piles so that we can understand them better. In math, we do the same thing. We sort it out and we combine like terms. So that's what we're going to be looking at today. By the end of the day, if I have 4xy minus 10xy, that's going to give me negative 6xy. And a 7 plus a 3 is a 4. It's just sorting with numbers and variables.
Shouldn't that be 10 if it's 7 plus 3?
Did I mess it up?
Yeah, you said.
What did I say? 7 plus 3?
7 plus 3.
You said 7 plus 3 equals 4.
7 plus 3 is going to be 10. Yes.
Yeah.
I should become a farmer. Okay. Monkeys play with?
Monkeys.
Cats play with?
Cats.
Dogs play with?
Dogs.
Air bubbles play with?
Air bubbles.
And in my world, air bubbles are numbers that are just hanging out by themselves. They don't have a variable with them. Because you give me any variable and I can turn it into a thing. 4C, that's 4 cats. 4X, that's 4 x-rays. 4D, that's 4 dogs. But just 4, that's an air bubble in my world. It's just an air bubble because I can't turn it into anything. You got 4. For what? 4 air bubbles. So air bubbles are guys without a variable. In your notes, a term is a number, a variable, or a product quotient of them. So right here, this is what I want. Example of terms. This is a term. 3. Right here. This is what I want. 3x, that's a term. Y, that's a term. 5x squared. These are terms. They're just terms. So I'm missing Dakota.
Yeah.
Hi Dakota, are you watching?
She was here today. I don't know where.
Where did you go?
I think she told me like to the office or something.
Okay.
I don't know.
I hope you're okay. Maddie's very sad right now. She's crying.
I am.
She misses you. She says she misses you.
She misses her first girlfriend.
I miss you too.
So these are just terms. This is a 3, a 3x, a y, a 5. They're just terms. And we can combine like terms.
I remember that.
I have 2 x's right here. I have 2 x-rays. Over here I have negative 6 x-rays. Negative 4 x-rays. The hardest part, at least last period, was the idea of negatives and positives, the integers. One way to think of integers is like this. I went up 2 feet on a ladder, and then I went down 6 feet. Am I underground at this point?
Yes.
I'm 4 feet underground. I'm negative 4. Yes?
What do you do with like the other 9 numbers that don't have blue?
So these guys are air bubbles. So if I had 2 X-rays minus 6 X-rays, I'm at negative 4 X-rays.
Okay, so,
I have negative 5 air bubbles.
okay.
I have 3 air bubbles. That gives me negative 2 air bubbles. On my ladder analogy, ready? I dig down 5 feet, I am 5 feet underground. Then I climb up 3 feet. Am I still underground?
Yes.
I'm 2 feet underground.
This is like a Minecraft analogy.
There we go.
I'm like, oh.
The song would be, ready? Same sign, add and keep. Different sign, subtract. So subtract them, what do I get?
You get to 2.
2. Keep the sign of the bigger number. Negative 2. Same sign, add and keep. Different sign, subtract. Subtract these 2 numbers right here. 4. Negative 4. So you've got the ladder analogy. You've got the song to sing. Coefficients, also back into your notes. The coefficient is the number part. 4a, 4 is the coefficient. The variable is a. Can you get this into your notes also? I'll take the attendance. So let's do some problems here. We're going to skip that slide, go to this one. X's play with. X's with hats play with.
X's with hats.
Can these guys play together?
No.
Think of this as an orange and a tangerine. I know they look really close to each other, but they're not the same. Can an orange play with a tangerine? No. These are unlike terms. They cannot combine. They are different. Can these guys combine? Yes. I have 4 X's with hats. I get 8 more X's with hats. What do I have? 12 X's with hats. Can these guys combine?
No.
No. This is XY. This is X squared Y. I know they're very close to each other. They look like they're almost the same thing, but they're not the same thing. This part right here, the variables and the exponents have to be identical. If they're not identical, they cannot combine. Can these guys combine?
Yes.
Yes. I have 3 XYs minus 9 XYs. Here's my ladder analogy. I climb up, I'm on the ground. I climb up, how far?
3 feet.
3 feet, that's the positive. I go up 3 feet. 1, 2, 3. And now I climb down 9 feet. Am I going to be underground?
Yes.
Underground means I'm negative. I'll be at negative 6, right? Because I go down 1, 2, 3. Now I'm at 0. And I go down 6 more. I'm underground. Ah, feels good down here.
It's cold. Just like my soul.
I feel like I'm This is like your soul?
I said it's cold, just like my
like your soul, Michael? That's not true.
Cold soul. Yeah, warm soul.
Right.
I feel me.
In your notes, before we do these examples, in your notes, make this up right here, in your notes. Write that down, boom, boom.
Boom, boom.
What's that mean? This is what it means.
Bang, bang.
8 minus negative 6. In my world,
14.
I call this the boom boom. In earlier grades, they taught you that 2 negatives in a row become a positive.
Yeah.
And that's really because what's going on here, this is saying negative. Hey, we talked to you on the camera.
Yeah.
We
We
said
have
we
to go
missed
through
you.
and watch the-
Cool. Good. Here's why. I don't know if you guys have been really taught why this exists. This is a negative. Sometimes you call it a minus. Sometimes we call it the opposite. Because if you have 4, what's the opposite of 4? Negative 4. Well, what is, ready? What's the opposite of negative 6?
Positive 6.
That's why it becomes a positive. The opposite of negative 6 is positive 6. Right? Because this is saying the opposite. What's the opposite of negative 6? Positive 6. Or just call it the boom boom. Yes.
We're just kind of making the thing in front of it the opposite.
It is. Because if I have 8, let's make it the opposite. Negative 8. If I have negative 8, let's make it the opposite. Negative 8, which is positive 8. That's the kind of the logic behind it. But what I need you to know is that this is a boom boom. What do you see right there? Boom boom. What do you see right there?
Boom,
Boom
boom.
boom. What do you see right there?
Boom.
Okay, good. And right there?
Boom, boom.
Nice. Boom 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 boom. Cameron.
I have a way of remembering it. So let's say there's 2 negative signs next to one another. What I'll do is I'll take the negative side and turn it.
There you
vertical
go.
and this one.
Same type of idea. Get it stuck in your head though. 2 negatives in a row become a positive. It is now a good time for whiteboards and markers. And it's kind of cool sometimes when you see why it feels the way it does, as opposed to just memorizing it. You good? Okay, soccer person. What are you? Hockey person? Hockey announcer. What are you? Yeah. No. I'm gonna do whatever I can so I can wear like this. Yeah, you got it. I hear you. I'm doing this thing. I'm doing a flannel. Do it one at a time, otherwise it's gonna mess with my brain. Right. This one. Good, good. Good.
What?
Good, good. 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 Good, good. Finish it off. Yep. Good, good, good. No. Good, good, good. So what I have here is 7 plus 3. I have it as 10x. 7 plus 3? 7 plus 3? 7 plus 3? No, okay.
Same.
Good. This one. No. Okay. Ah.
Oh, no, don't. Wait.
Yes, 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 no. Use the ladder analogy. Yes, yes, use the ladder. No. No, use the ladder. Yes, 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 no, use the ladder. Yes, yes.
Wait, is that a
I was on the wrong question.
Where do I go? I climb down 5 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then you come up.
And then I climb up 3 feet. Where am I at?
So
I'm on this one right here still.
2.
I'm at negative. Am I still underground?
Yes.
So negative 2.
I'm at negative 2a.
Makes
Negative
sense.
2a.
Oh.
Stop for a moment. 5-second count for questions. I want to slow it down. Please ask the question if you're confused by this. This is negative 2a. Do you want me to explain it?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Okay. You, people, this is, whose education is this?
Ours.
This is yours. You must, if you want to get the best out of it, talk to me. A couple of different ways to think about this. Number line. I go negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I go positive 3. 1, 2, 3. Where am I at? Negative 2. Digging a hole analogy. I start at 0. I dig down 5 feet. I go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm underground. I go up 3 feet. 1, 2, 3. I'm still underground. I'm at negative 2. Same sign add and keep, different sign subtract. Subtract the two numbers, I'm at 2. Keep the sign of the bigger number, I'm at negative 2. I don't have any other ways to explain it. I just went through 3 of them. Okay, let's do this one right here. Good, good. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Brandon, ready? Good.
What?
I'm waiting on yours. We're on number 3.
No.
Good. Good. Come back to you. Good. Good, 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 good. Good, 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 good. 4x. Nice. This guy right here. Number 4. Good, good, good. Good, good. 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 Good, 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 good. Good, 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 good. Nice. Listen to my instructions. Listen. What I want at first are just the X's. Give me just the X's on your board, nothing more than the X's.
Oh, wait.
Good, good,
Yeah.
good. Good. All I want are the X's. Good, good. Good, 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 good. Just the X's. Good. Okay. Good, good. Just the X's. Good, good. Fix it. All I want to see are X's. Good, good. So right now I have 9. All I want to see are X's. I have 9x. Now finish the expression. Finish it off. Finish it off all the way off. Then now finish it. Good. No. We had X's play with Y's. They can't play together. Good. Good. Minus. Good. Good.
Wait.
Wasn't it a 9x to start with?
Yes.
So it shouldn't, it's not going to change.
Okay.
That's why. That's why. Is that an X or a Y?
Oh, I meant
Where'd your
for it
Y
to
go?
be a Y. 4.
9x minus y. 9x minus y. 9.
Oh, X again.
This one? Will you start with just the x squareds, please? Good. 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 Doing just the x squareds. Good. Good. Actually, no. No. You have 3x squared, and you take away 1x squared. They're x squared, you lost your squares. Good. No. Yes, yes.
Oh, 2x squared.
Yes, yes, yes. No. No. Yes, oh, sorry, yes.
Would there not be?
Sorry, I got confused. Right here. I have 3 oranges. I take away 1 orange. What am I left with?
2.
Okay. I have 3 apples. I take away 1 apple. What am I left with?
1 and 2 apples.
2 apples. Think of the x squared just as a piece of fruit. I have 3x squareds. I take away 1x squared. What am I left with?
2.
2 what?
X
X
squared.
squared.
Oh, I forgot the answer.
Okay, finish off the problem. Yes. Finish off the problem. Yes. Yes. No, you're having x's play with x squared. They can't play together. X's play with x's. They can't play together. Good, good. Good, 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 good.
I was like, oh,
So, I know you want them to play together. These are oranges. These are tangerines. They can't play together. 2x squared plus 4x. Good. This one, we have the x's play together first. Have my x's play together. I'm going to start on this side. No. Yes. Just the x's. Don't show me anything else. Good. 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 No. Yes.
oh.
Yes, 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 no. Just the x's. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, let's look at it. What do I have right here? I have 2 x's and 8 x's. What do I have?
10.
I have 10 x's.
Oh.
Okay, finish off the problem.
Oh.
Finish it. Good, good.
Oh.
Good. Plus, not plus h. Good. No. Yes, yes. No. Yes. Yes. Why do you say it's a plus 8? Can you repeat? No.
It's a negative, it's a positive.
If so, ready? Because the negative, using my whole analogy, if I dig down 5 feet and then I dig down 3 more feet, am I above ground? No. What's going on is you're using multiplication rules when you're supposed to be using addition subtraction rules. 8x minus 8, 8x minus 8, 8x minus 8, 8. Good, good, good. Okay, I'm going to do this 3 different ways. I dig down 5 feet, I dig down 3 more feet. Where am I? Negative 8. Same sign, add and keep. Add them together. 8. Keep the sign, negative 8. Number line. 0, I go over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I go over 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Where am I at? Negative 8. Those are all the analogies I have. Got nothing else, Sophia. And then we're on to number 8. You guys do it all on your own. Good. Good, good. I tried to trick you. You unconfused yourself. Good, good. Raising your hand, what would you like to tell me about this one, Mark?
Because all of them are different things. Like that's a cat, that's a dog, and that's a
Monkey.
monkey. And they don't want to play with each other, so they just stay the same.
No, it's not a matter of wanting. They can't play
They
together.
can't.
They just can't. They probably want to,
Maybe.
but they can't. Yeah, none of these are similar. They cannot combine. And we are done. You may start on the homework. I'll be calling people over. Digging a hole.